Anderson, Pure Diva, fast to begin by the rallies. What About Love? And brushing up Danori inside this beautiful bell. Cabasona, while Love Tale is the early trailer. Pure Diva, Beautiful Bell, What About Love in the middle. As they pass the half-mile pose, What About Love, Beautiful Bell by Daryl. And Pure Diva is running in third by Sam Trilance Cabasona. And long way back to Love Tale. Rounding the far turn, What About Love, Beautiful Bell sneaking Danori inside, and Pure Diva remains in third by some 4 lengths. Cabasona as they race the final corner. Beautiful Bell by some 3 lengths now. What About Love, Danori inside, Pure Diva rushing up Love Tail. Cabasona, and nearing the finish line at cell entry number 4, and this one is Beautiful Bell. And finally, number 4, Beautiful Bell. What About Love, Love Tale, Pure Diva, and Cabasona comes last.
Like what I said, true to form, crossing the wire first, number 4, Beautiful Bell. Winner take all po dyan, natira 8,456. Winner take all, second set, 2,447,558. Ang dala ni Beautiful Bell is 700,429. Quarters po natin is 18:22 and a half, finishing at 27. A minute 7.6, 1,100 meters ang distance.